What's up, everybody? Stereo Man back at it again. This is a public service announcement. Friday, December 12th, that's today. Tomorrow night, the 13th, it's supposed to get down to like 30 degrees in the Atlanta area, y'all. And if you don't have remote start, you need to get it right now. Whether you want one of our basic systems like the RS380, or if you want the two-way system like the RS1880. We can hook that up for you. All you got to do is make the call. It really is just that simple. 708-821-3526. And you know, when you see the shirt, you know you're dealing with the best. I've been doing remote starts ever since remote starts have been out. Started doing this stuff in high school. I know every type of vehicle. I can do your diesel vehicle, manual transmission. It doesn't matter. Push to start, I do them all. All you got to do is make the call. A lot of vehicles, I can even integrate the remote start into your factory key fob. And also we have a smartphone interface as well that has unlimited range. It has speed notifications, geofencing, all that good stuff. I'll even put a link to the one I did the other day on this video. So like I said, this weekend, you need to make the call. Still have appointments available for tomorrow, which is Saturday, the 13th. Remember, it's going to be freezing by tomorrow night. I can install your remote start tomorrow morning or afternoon. So you need to make the call. It doesn't matter what time it is. If it's late, hey, feel free to text me. I'll probably be up watching TV or something. So I will respond to you right away and I can put you on the schedule. Like I said, make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Follow us, like us, subscribe to us, call us, and refer us. Until the next time, peace. God bless you, and we'll see you at the install.